I'm spinning my wheels. I've got nothing to show. Can't come up with content ideas that really flow. My creativity is stuck in a rut, and there's just no ideas for content that I can cut. Empty pages stare back at me, and all I can think of is writer's block misery. Can you relate? Coming up with content ideas can be a real struggle sometimes, but it doesn't have to be. Not when you have the tools to help you create great content like social media posts, YouTube videos, podcasts, sales page copies, email campaigns, and so much more. I've been there too, and I can tell you right now that your life and business is about to be completely transformed, and your content creation stress is about to be put to rest like a baby going down for a nap. Be sure to watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to be sprinkling my bonus tip on how to create your content creation engines and keep it running like a well-oiled money-making machine. My name is Lisa Torres, your sales and strategy coach that specializes in helping go-getter entrepreneurs like yourself build a profitable brand and business using carefully crafted social media strategies, systems, and processes that get you results. And you can start your journey by watching my free video on demand, how to enroll new members, build a brand, and create a six-figure business in just 12 months. In this video, you'll learn how to create mind-blowing content ideas that engage your audience and turns them into paying customers. And the best part, it's going to save you time and a ton of money because you won't need to hire a copywriter because, well, we know copywriters are super expensive. Now, you'll want to grab your notepad and pen so you can start taking notes because I'm about to drop some knowledge bombs that will make your content creation process go from 0 to 60 in 3.2 seconds, just like my Tesla. And don't let your competition snatch up all the best advice before you do. Beat them to the punch by subscribing and enabling notifications right here on this channel. That way, you'll always be one step ahead and get notified instantly when I upload a weekly bite-sized value bomb for you. Now, buckle up because I'm going to take you on the inside of my computer and show you step-by-step how I plan and create content that gets results. Okay, we are inside of my computer and I'm going to show you this tool and it's called Jasper. Jasper AI is artificial intelligence that is going to help you to create content 10 times faster. So I wanted to kind of open up my computer, just basically show you what this tool can do and why I'm so freaking excited about it. All right, so there's a lot of templates. We are in the templates section here. As you can see on the top, these are the different section categories. But if we scroll through here, I'm not going to go through all of them, but you can actually see what it can do. So if you're selling products on Amazon, if you are, creating blog posts, coming up with a business or product name, giving it, a company bios, content improver, like email subject lines, right? Facebook ads, Google descriptions, listicles, marketing angles, testimonials, many video sales letters. I mean, this thing can do so many different things. Photo post captions, Pinterest titles and descriptions, poll questions, right? Product descriptions. If you're into real estate, so many different things, SEO, TikTok, tweets, YouTube, a ton of stuff, right? So when it comes to content, there's a whole bunch of different types of content. There's social media content. So you've got regular posts on Facebook or, reels on Instagram, shorts on YouTube, or you've got YouTube videos and you want to write scripts for YouTube videos, or maybe you want to send emails if you're growing your email list. I mean, sky is the limit. Maybe you have a sales page and you need to create sales copy for your sales page. You can do all of that with this tool. So the bottom line is that sky is the limit when it comes to creating content. If you're a content creator, you're going to need this tool. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through. I actually like to use documents. There's two features that I really, really love using. And the first one is documents. So we are going to go into the documents and I'm going to start from scratch. And you basically, you're going to tell it what you want it to do. Okay. The first way is if you have an idea in your head and you need help actually writing it, you can use Jasper to kind of help you with that process. So let's say, for example, I wanted to talk about Instagram Reels and I wanted to teach people, let's say, how to do that, right? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the title here. And then now I'm going to click compose and it's going to start writing for me. So you could see here it says Instagram Reels are short 15-second videos that can be created and shared with your followers and even a wider Instagram community, and so on and so forth. And you see that it stops here, right? So now I can click compose again and it just continues to write for me. Now, if there's something that it says that I don't agree with or any words that I want to change, I could just simply, let's say in this example, I'm going to delete this and I'm going to compose again and it will create something new, right? But let's say I'm like, I don't like this line here. So let me delete that and I'm going to pick it up from here and click compose again. And now it will get me something different, right? And so we can keep doing that. And then if I wanted to say, write a list of 5 Instagram reel ideas, then I can actually highlight this and then click the control button and then enter. That's basically giving it a command, telling it what to do. And now it created a list of 5. Okay. And so now I can actually keep building this content and I can use it in many different ways. This could be a Facebook post. It could be an email to my list, right? It could be a script for a YouTube video. Okay. It could be basically anything I want. And now if I want to put a call to action at the end, I can say, write a call to action. And then I hover over it, control, enter. And now it's going to give me a call to action. Okay. If I don't like it, I just delete that and do it again. Maybe I want to change it up and say, write a call to action to download my free Instagram Reels training. Okay. And then I just keep going. Right. And again, if I don't like anything that it says, or if I want to change anything, I can just go back and delete it. Isn't that amazing? I love this tool. Let me show you a different template here. So let's say another one that I use here is the ADA framework. So basically you just fill out this form here. So you can say, let's say your product name is, I'm going to put in my results lab. That's my community. And I'm going to put the product description. I'm going to say the results lab is a community for network marketers, affiliate marketers, and coaches who want to learn my 4-phase framework for building, for enrolling new customers, team members, clients, build a brand and create a six-figure business in 12 months. Okay. And now I can give it a tone of voice. So I can say witty, or I could say, let's say I wanted it to sound like Russell Brunson was talking, how he would say it. Right. And then I can put it in whatever language. And then once I'm done, I can tell it how many examples it wants to spit out. So for example, this is 3. So I just click generate and it's going to spit out 3 different examples. Okay, so here's example number 1. It says, attention, tired of feeling overwhelmed and frustrated trying to grow your business? right? So ADA basically stands for attention. That's this. Whoops. Yeah, attention, interest, desire, and action. Okay, so that's what the ADA framework is. So if I'm trying to sell my community the results lab, here's an idea on how I can sell that. So the attention is tired of feeling overwhelmed and frustrated trying to grow your business. The interest is then you'll love what the results lab has to offer. A simple, proven, 4-phase framework, blah, blah, blah. And then the desire is when you enroll in the results lab, not only will you learn how to build your own 6-figure business, blah, 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 blah. And then the action is take advantage of everything the results lab has to offer and get the results on transforming your business into something truly extraordinary, right? So there's option number 1. And then here's option number 2 that it spit out. And then here's option number 3. But let's say I'm like, you know what? I want to customize this and kind of Frankenstein it. So I can take, let's say I like this attention one, but I don't like this interest one. I like this interest one. And I don't like the desire, but I'm going to take the desire from down here. And then maybe the call to action from up there. So I can basically, just take the sections that I want and build my own with it. Crazy, right? Let's look at another template. So we're going to go back to templates and I'm going to do a search for the YouTube one. I'm going to click on titles and here we have video titles. So now I want to come up with some video titles for my YouTube videos. So what is the video about? Let's say how to use Facebook to generate leads. Okay. You can fill this out if you want to. I'm going to say I want this to be witty and creative. And then I'm going to click generate. And now look at this. It gave me all these examples of YouTube titles for how to use Facebook to generate leads. So how to get Facebook leads for free. This trick works every time. The simplest way to use Facebook ads for lead generation. How I generated 5,000 leads from a single Facebook ad, and so on and so on. So it's giving me all of these ideas for my YouTube title. So now let's say I wanted to use, let's say this first one here. How to generate free leads. This trick works every time. Now I'm going to go back to my templates. I'm going to use the documents. I'm going to click from scratch. I'm going to put my title there and my title. Okay, I'm going to give that an H1 just to make it stand out. And then I'm going to come right down here and I'm going to click compose. And now it's going to create the content for me. And I can use this content for, as a script for my video. I could use this as a free PDF document. I can put this in Canva, make it look all fancy dancy. You get the point. Okay, so you can basically use this to build out all of your content. Now I'm going to share with you my bonus tip, and that is using chat. Now, chat is in beta, but I literally just started using it and I'm absolutely in love. So Jasper Chat, which is basically similar to ChatGPT, I'm pretty sure you've seen it a lot out there. It's just, it's becoming very popular. Jasper actually has that, not just the templates, but they also have a built-in Jasper Chat. And so the way that you would do this is you basically give it a command and tell it whatever it is that, like, you're going to literally talk to it like if you're having a conversation. So for example, here's some prompts, right? Write a paragraph about such and such. Help me create a short story about blah, blah, blah. Write a Facebook ad for the holidays and things like that. So let's say I chose this one here. And I'm going to say to sell my Instagram course for business builders. And I'm going to prompt that. And now it just wrote me an ad, a Facebook ad for my, to sell my Instagram course for the holidays. So let's see what it says. Sure, here's a Facebook ad copy that could work. Looking to level up your Instagram game for your business this holiday season? Our Instagram course for business builders has got you covered. Learn how to create an engaging and effective Instagram strategy that will help you attract more followers, increase brand awareness, and drive sales. Enroll now and get ahead of the competition in 2020. Well, we are in 2023. So we'll have to fix that. Limited time offer, use the holiday code, blah, blah, blah. And then you insert your image and URL. Love it, right? But let's say we're going to clear this. Let me move this out of the way. I'm going to clear that. And let's say I wanted to create a whole entire course, let's say. Write the modules. No, right? Let's say I want to have 5 modules. Write 5 modules. And let's say 3 to 5 lessons in each module for a course that I want to create about generating leads using Instagram Reels. Again, I'm just going to use that as an example. So I just click Command and oh my goodness. Do you see this? Okay. I don't know about you, but this is exciting. So I literally created my whole entire course with a click of a button. All right. Do you see how huge this is? Look, Module 1, Introduction to Instagram Reels. Lesson 1, what are Instagram Reels and how they differ from other content formats? Lesson 2, how to create engaging Instagram Reels that grab attention. Lesson 3, understanding the algorithm behind Instagram Reels. Module 2, identifying your target audience. Module 3, creating content that converts, right? Module 4, like, do you see this? This is so amazing. So now let's say, okay, so now I'm having a conversation. I asked Jasper to write 5 modules and 3 lessons. In each module, write 3 to 5 lessons. It gave me that information, right? And of course, I'm going to tweak it and put kind of like my own flair, but it's giving me the ideas. But now let's say I wanted to take lesson number 1 of module 1, and I'm going to put it down here, and I'm going to say, create the content script for module 1, lesson 1. And now I'm telling Jasper what to do, and now he's typing back to me. Okay, so he wrote, opening shot, a smartphone screen showing an Instagram reel. Voiceover, welcome to module 1 of our course of generating blah, blah, blah. Cut to a talking headshot of the instructor. And then here's my script. Instagram Reel is a relatively new feature, blah, blah, blah. Of course, it's pulling up old dates, but that's fine. Cut to B-roll and all this, right? It's giving me literally a script. Now, what I could do is I could take out the word script, write the content that will go into module 1, lesson 1. Okay, so now I'm gonna click that. And there we go. Module 1, Introduction to Instagram Reels, lesson 1, right? Instagram Reels is a feature, and it literally is just spitting out the content. Now, of course, I have to go through it and see if it's accurate. If I am actually teaching it, you know, creating a course on Instagram Reels because I got results from getting this, my goal is to pull these ideas and tweak it, right? Because we don't want to use all of this verbatim. We want to tweak it, okay? Now, let's say you wanted to create a free lead magnet. I'm going to clear this out. You can say, write a free lead magnet, or let's say, give me 5 free lead magnet ideas on on creating Instagram Reels for business builders. Let's see what it gives me. And it responded, it said, sure. Here are 5 free lead magnet ideas on creating Instagram Reels for business. And now you can see here it says 10 creative ways for Instagram Reels that will boost your business. This lead magnet could provide business owners with the fresh and unique ideas of creating Instagram Reels that will capture their attention. The ultimate guide to creating engagement, right? So now if I wanted to create the reel, let's say I like idea number 1, right? 10 creative ideas for Instagram Reels. Well, now I'm going to say, write the lead magnet content for, and I'm going to paste that right there and click enter. And now it just spit everything out for me. Do you see the power of this, right? Do you, and look at it. Number 1, behind the scenes footage. Number 2, tutorials. I could literally turn this into a free lead magnet so that I can go out there and start generating leads. And don't forget to watch my free video on demand, how to enroll new members, build a brand, and create a 6-figure business in 12 months by clicking on the link right below this video.
Coming up with content ideas can be a real struggle sometimes. Come on, why is it not picking up? Like social media posts, YouTube videos, podcasts, sales pitch copy, email campaigns, and so much more. Shut up! We gotta get it.